Next one is international place value chart. Ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion. In Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here the international system having 100,000. Here lakhs, million, 10 lakhs, 10 million, crore, 100 million, 10 crore. Next example, 98370,432. First separate the digits using the commas. 98370,432. Here this is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Next one is 100,000. Next is million. Next one is 10 million. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, million, 10 million. Express in words. First separating the digits using commas. 98370,432. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Write in words. 98 million, comma, 300, 70,000, comma, 432. Next one is expanded form of international place values. First separate the digits using the commas. 98370,432. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million is equal to 9 into 10 million having 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 8 into million plus 3 into plus 7 into 1000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This is the expand form of international place value chart. Next one is relation between the two place value charts. International, Indian system, number of zeros. International system 10,000, Indian system also 10,000, 4 zeros. International system 100,000, in Indian system we will say 1 lakh. We will have 5 zeros. 1 million, here 10 lakhs. 10 million, 1 lakh. 100 million, 10 crore. 1 billion, 100 crores. 10 billion, 1000 crores. Example 1. Find the place value of 5 in the given numbers in the Indian system. First one is 3254987. Separate the digits using the commas by the Indian system method. 3254987. Separate ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Find the place value. Place value means here the place value of 5 is 10,000. So the place value of 5 is 50,000. Place value is equal to 50,000. Using the same method, first separate the digits using commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Here the 5 comes in crores. Place value of 5 is 5 crores. Example 2. Find the difference in the place value of 2 4s in 3 4 8 6 5 9 4 8 0. 3 4 8 6 5 9 4 8 0. This is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Place value of 4 is 100, here crore. The place value of 4 in the 100 place is 400. The place value of 4 in crore place is 4 crores. Difference between 4 crores and 400 is 3 crore 99 lakhs 99,600. Exercise 1.1. First question. How many digits are there in the number 40 lakhs 60,234? Is it written in the Indian or the international system of numeration? Solution. First one is, how many digits are there in numbers? There are 7 digits. Next question is it written in Indian system or international system of numeration? 40 lakhs 60,234. It is a Indian system. Because the commas are separated thousands and lakhs. Second question. How many 2-digit numbers are in all? Solution. The largest 2-digit number is 99. The largest 1-digit number is 9. Total number of 2-digit numbers is equal to 99 minus 9 is equal to 90 is the answer. Third question. How many times does the digit 4 occur in the numbers between 10 and 100? Solution. First 14, 24, 34, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The digit 4 occurs in 18 times. The digit 4 occur in 18 times. Exercise 1.1 homework sum. The first question is, how many 5-digit numbers are there in all? Second question, how many times does the digit 3 occurs in the hundreds place in the numbers between 100 and 10,000? Third question, express the following numerals according to the Indian and international place value system. First question is 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 6, 8, 9, 0. Second question 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6.